everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be taking you along with me to 6 different stores as I shop for spring and Easter decor. I will quickly browse and share with you what items and decor is available. I won't show you many prices, but I hope that this gives you some ideas on where you may want to shop and the kind and type of decor that might inspire you this season. If you are only interested in watching footage from specific stores, please see the timestamps listed below in the description box.
Sparkly shimmer on our skin.
Target had very cute and affordable decor this year, and there were a lot of beautiful festive throw pillows.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all.
At Michael's, there was such a variety of decor from bright pastels to more neutral and muted pastel color decor and everything in between. And I have to say, I think it was overall my favorite store and decor that I found this season.
Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep.
This was my first trip to an at-home store, and I drove a couple hours just to video there. It did not disappoint. They had such gorgeous and unique spring and Easter decor. I love their wreaths and their florals, and I really need to go back and explore the entire store.
Makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough.
Home Goods is always a favorite of mine, and they had some really beautiful large pieces of decor that would be so perfect for a front porch. And one of my favorite pieces was the kissing bunnies. You'll see that soon.
From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. Makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
Hobby Lobby is always my go-to for any seasonal decor or florals. They always have such a variety and it's such affordable prices. And they did not disappoint with this spring collection.
Show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. The stars come to shine when it's dark. From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. Makes me wonder. Yeah, it us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder. How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night and what's it?
Here at TJ Maxx, I always tend to find something very unique, and I tend to always look for some type of wooden element for each season. But they also had such beautiful spring and Easter decor.
And as the light startled our eyes,
I hope you enjoyed today's Shop With Me video, and I hope it gave you lots of inspiration and maybe will help you narrow down which stores you may want to purchase some spring and Easter decor. I really enjoyed exploring and shopping at all these different stores and putting this video together for you. I look forward to styling my Easter and spring decor and sharing it with you as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friend, and please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I greatly appreciate your support, and it really does help my channel. I have more videos coming soon, and if you missed my last video, please check it out on how we built new floating shelves around our fireplace and how I styled them. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we will see you soon.